Class, today we have done certain topics of 2 pages, and for that I am sending you the video. First is how to select the text. Just bring your cursor over here and select your text like this, and the selected text will be in the highlighted blue color. And how to make changes in the text. For example, I want to use this Z as capital Z for zoom. Just press the cursor here, use backspace key from the keyboard for deleting it, and use the right capital Z. So this is making changes in the text of the document which I have already typed, and making changes is called editing. Now how to select a word. One particular word is, double click on that word, the word will be selected. Then hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. Now control key hold करने के बाद you can click triple click in the paragraph will be selected. Likewise, other things you can practice at your home on your computer. Next is how to insert the text. Just place your cursor where you want to insert the text. Like for example, I want to insert over here. Computer. Word I have inserted, and the inserted word is to the left hand side, and the cursor is now blinking at the right side of it. Next is moving the text and copying the text. For example, I want to move the text. First I will select the text. I want to select this. I will select first line. For example, I want to move this part only. I have selected this part. Now to move it, I'll use cut option from the clipboard group and the home tab. Cut option. Then place my cursor at my desired position. Desired means where I want to place it. Then again use paste option from it. It is typed over here. Second method is, I want to use again copy and paste. Suppose this much I want to copy and paste. I have selected this. Then again right click on it with the help of right button of the laptop. Use cut option. Then press enter key. Change the place of the cursor. Then right button of your laptop. Then use paste option. It will be placed over here. Third part is using, again I have selected this much and I want to use it using the keyboard key combination. Select this part, then use Ctrl plus X. That is for cut, Ctrl plus X. Then bring your cursor to some other position using enter key. Then again press Ctrl plus C for copy. Sorry, Ctrl plus V for pasting. It is pasted over here. It is pasted over here. Now I want to use the moving we have done. I want to use it for copying. I want to copy this text again. Suppose I want to copy this whole sentence. I will select this sentence. Then first method for copying is using the copy button or copy option from the clipboard group. Clipboard group, home tab, copy option. Then place my cursor somewhere else. Then again paste option. So this is computer class. It is copying means making the duplicate copy of the text. So text is also placed at the top, that is, this is computer zoom class written here and here also. Second method for copying is again select this text, select the sentence, then right click on this, then use copy option from here, then place your cursor somewhere else, then again right click from the right button of the laptop, use paste option. It is placed over here. Third method for pasting, copying and pasting is again select your text, then use CTRL plus C. CTRL plus C for copying. Place your cursor somewhere else. Use CTRL plus V for pasting. It is paste here. CTRL plus C for copying, CTRL plus V for pasting. Next topic we have done today was of deleting the text. To delete the text, there are two buttons. One is your backspace key, second is your delete key. You can either place the cursor, suppose I want to delete this live, you can use backspace key, and when you press on backspace key, the characters to the left side of the cursor will keep on deleting. And when I suppose place my cursor over here, select the cursor or select the word, press the delete key from the keyboard, then the whole world will be deleted. So backspace key will delete one character at a time, and the delete key will delete the characters which are selected or highlighted. One more topic we have done in the quick views is regarding selecting the whole text. Suppose this whole text is written, entire text is written, I want to select, press Ctrl CTRL plus A. So whole text, the entire text, full text will be selected. Next topic is using select the text from the current position to the beginning of the line. So this is your suppose current position of the cursor. I want to select it from the beginning of the line. So it is shift plus home. Here you have shift key plus home key. So cursor is blinking over here to the beginning of a line, means to the beginning of this line. So here it is selected. Now suppose my cursor is blinking here. I want to select till the end of the line. Then you have shift plus end key, shift plus end key. So from the position where the cursor was blinking to the end of the line, then you have your shift plus end key. One more topic we have done was overtype mode and the insert mode. Now for overtype mode and insert mode, this is your status bar. This is your status bar. Right click on your status bar. Here you have